How to share Systeme.io funnel. If you want to share funnels on Systeme.io, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is to simply open up your browser and go to Systeme.io, and you will see this type of option right here. Now, once you've done this and once you're logged into your account, to share your funnel, go to the websites option from the top right and go to sales funnels option. And here you'll see a list of funnels that you've created. And obviously, if you want to share it, it's quite simple. Just click on the three dots option right next to that funnel. Then once you've done that, you can click the share option right there. And once done, you can use this particular link by copying it. And whenever you want someone to basically maybe have this opened up, you can simply share this funnel right here and they'll be able to view it. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then share your funnel on Systeme.io. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.